Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine of 3s over 5. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to 3 over 5 cosine of 3s over 5. Because we don't have number 3 over 5 in here, so we need to divide both sides by 3 over 5. This one we change by u, and we have u to the power of 3. This one we change by 5 over 3 du. Next, number 4 and number 5 over 3. We have 20 over 3. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and I will put about c. So number 3 and number 4, we have number 12. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.